When starting the first session of your new campaign, you can get so lost in the details of the story that you forget one big question. How is the party meeting? Well, we're going to give you 6 great ways to start your Dungeons & Dragons campaign. First way for your party to meet is the classic meeting in a tavern. And why not? Taverns are a great place where most people would hang out in a town, especially a small town with nothing to do. They can hide thieves' guilds, racketeering businesses, or a washed-up adventurer who's looking to find his long-lost treasure he failed to find 20 years ago, all as part of an attempt to honor the memory of his late party members before he too is finally taken by death's mortal grip, or something. The second way you can start is to have the entire party hired for the same job. It can be hunting a monster, tracking a thief, or clearing out a sewer that smells funky and is making weird noises. Coin is a great motivator after all, especially a level 1 party with barely 2 gold pieces to rub together. Coin gets them there, and the laughs and fun and the slaughter keep them together. It's wonderful. Third, you can have a major catastrophe befall them suddenly and start the story immediately in the action. This is generally how I like to start my party. This is a great way to get past the awkward introductions, as it's much easier to get along with someone you just helped decapitate a zombie with. Start in the action and get straight to the point. Another classic is the prisoner breakout. This doesn't only have to be for a party of rogues. You can just as easily create interesting and compelling characters by having one or more of them imprisoned wrongfully. Maybe they were framed or set up. Whatever the case, the bars won't hold them for long. Reward the party for creativity, and remember the goal is to challenge them, but you want to get them out, unless your whole story takes place in the prison, in which case that could be kind of fun. The number 5 way to start is the good old ambush on the road. Like my previous example, it's a great way to start the action, but if you want something that's unique, think about the tone you're trying to set. For a classic fantasy world, orcs and goblins are great. For something more horror, undead creatures or demons would do wonders for setting the mood. Think about what you want the party to feel and work off of that. And lastly, the easiest way to start a party adventure is by having the players already know each other. It gets awkward, forced adventure out of the way. They can be schoolmates from the same town, siblings, or whatever. Sit them down, create a history and backstory, and then watch them take off in your world. It's a great way to create a bond with your characters and players right from the very beginning. Hopefully these tips helped you get your creative juices flowing and give you some ideas about where to start your party's new adventure. Leave some other ideas in the comments down below. I love unique starters. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.